Hi, friends. Hard to believe a week ago we were eating cake in class and now we're socially distancing. So we've gotten approval for our plans for the remainder of the semester. I can't believe this is the way your last semester is going to end. Um, Suffice to say, I miss all of you, and I hope you're all back home with your families and staying safe and staying healthy. I digress. So we got our approvals for our plans for the remainder of the semester. So this is what I'm proposing. So you guys know we had a remaining lecture on supervision for next week to do. So I will deliver that content asynchronously. So that means that you can work through it at your own time, at your own pace, whenever you feel like it. I will post a bunch of things for you to review, as well as me chatting a little bit about supervision. And you can just complete it when it works for you. You don't have to, you're not expected to be online for a certain period of time. The other thing that we had remaining was our last quiz, which was supposed to be on March the 31st. So the change to that is obviously we're not going to be doing that in class. So you're going to complete that on Avenue anytime that works for you on March the 31st. So the quiz will be open all day, and then you just pick that window of time that works well for you. So if you feel like getting up and writing the exam at 6 a.m., you can do that. If you feel like getting up and writing the quiz at 7 p.m., you can do that. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns about anything that I have proposed here, please email me. I want to hear from you. Yeah, so just stay safe and stay healthy, and I can't wait to see you guys again.